Hello everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to rename Active Directory domain name in Windows Server 2022. So before you rename the Active Directory, make sure that your backup service running successfully. So take your backup properly. In case of any error, you can restore your Active Directory successfully. Okay, so to do that, I'm gonna open Server Manager and I'm going to click on local server. The server properties, the computer name is master and domain name is techglob.local. Alright, I'm going to open tools and click on DNS, the forward lookup zone. I'm gonna right click and create a new zone and click on next and select primary zone next. Second option, to all DNS servers running on domain controller in this domain. Click on next and here you need to type new domain name. The existing domain name is techglob.local. Then I'm going to change new name techworld.com. Then click on next and allow only secure dynamic updates. Click on next and finish. And right click on lookup zone again, create a new zone and click on next. Primary zone, click on next and this time select first option, to all DNS servers running on domain controller in this forest and click on next. And here we need to enter _msdcs.techworld.com and click on next and allow only secure dynamic updates. Click on next and finish. Now here you can see we have enter two entries, techworld.com and msdcs.techworld.com. Alright, and after that I'm gonna close this DNS manager console. Then go to start menu and right click, select Windows PowerShell admin and here we need to enter the command. First command is cd/ and hit enter and type the next command rendom/list and hit enter. Now here you can see the operation completes successfully in C drive. So I'm gonna minimize this and open the file explorer and go to C drive. As you can see, domain list XML format document is here. I'm gonna right click, edit, and here you can see existing domain name is techglob.local. So we need to replace. So I'm gonna click on edit, select replace. Here I'm gonna type the existing name is techglob.local, replace with the new name techworld.com. Then select replace all. The existing techglob.local name replaced to the new name added. After that I'm gonna select the NetBIOS name, going to change the new name, type here webmaster. Okay, and go to file and save. Then after that I'm going back to the PowerShell command prompt and type the next command rendom/upload and hit enter. Now the operation completes successfully. Okay, then the next command rendom/prepare and hit enter. Now waiting for reply. Now here you can see master.techglob.local was prepared successfully. There is no errors. And type the next command rendom/execute and hit enter. Now here you can see the operation completes successfully. The Windows is going to restart automatically. So we have to wait until the restart complete. If the server is getting delayed to restart, you can manually restart the server. So I'm gonna type the command shutdown-r-s00 and hit enter. The server is going to restart. When you go to the other user on the login screen, now here you can see the new BIOS name is changed webmaster, and enter the new name techworld.com/administrator. So after restart on the server manager, I'm gonna click on tools and select Active Directory users and computers. Now here you can see the new name has changed, okay, the techworld.com. Alright, minimize this and click on tools on server manager and select group policy management and expand forest. And expand the domains, and now here you can see group policy management is getting error, the old name still existing. Okay, so in this case I'm gonna close this, click on OK and cancel, and here you can see the error not found. Close this and go to the start menu and right click, open Windows PowerShell again, and here we need to enter the command gpfixup space /alt dns techglob.local space /new dns techworld.com and hit enter. Then I'm going to tools and select group policy management and expand the forest and expand domains. Now here you can see group policy management is successfully resolved. Alright, and go to this PC and right click on properties and select advanced system settings. Click on computer name. Now here you can see still all the name is there, master.techglob.local. So I'm gonna change, click on change and click OK and select more, and here I'm gonna type techworld.com and click on OK. The computer is going to restart, and then after restart I'm going to open the PowerShell admin again. So you can change the NetBIOS name on PowerShell command prompt. Okay, so command is gpfixup /alt-nb the alt name techglob.local and /new nb the new domain name techworld.com and hit enter. And now here you can see gpfixup tool executed with success. Then I'm going to enter the next command rendom/clean and hit enter. The operation complete successfully, and type the next command rendom/end and hit enter. That also successful, and that's it. Okay, now we have complete the Active Directory rename successfully. And dear all viewers, if you like this video, please do comment in my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video.